Hello and welcome back to another ListDefender video brought to you by Plus This. We are excited to share that ListDefender has had a makeover. Thanks to your valuable feedback, we have made some fantastic upgrades to ensure that ListDefender works even better for you. In today's video, I'll walk you through the updated interface and show you where everything is located so you can hit the ground running. Let's dive in. So now when you log into ListDefender, you will see that your main menu has moved from the top over here to the left-hand side. In the upper right-hand corner is where all your account information is. So if you need to get there, you can use the drop down and get into your account information here. Over here on the left-hand side, you will see which CRM you are connected to. And if your ListDefender is connected to multiple CRMs, this section will be a drop-down and you can easily bounce between all of your different CRMs you have connected to your ListDefender account. Now here in the center is a great snapshot or an overall snapshot of what ListDefender is doing for you and your business. At the top, we have our routine list cleaner snapshot. So this is going to show you all the information for your latest report, and it's going to give you the date as well. Then you're going to have the new subscriber inspection section. That's within the last 30 days. And if you are utilizing Form Defender, which we really hope you are, your Form Defender activity for the last 30 days will show up here on your dashboard as well. Now over here on the left-hand side, our next option is contacts. This is laid out exactly how the other interface was laid out. So you'll have all of your contact information here in the center. You can export any contacts you need to. And then here you can search for a specific contact or contacts if you want to look for specific people, if you're trying to compare data or you need to find someone. And then we have our filter here over on the right-hand side as well. The filter is really great to use. If you want to look at the latest scan results, you can select your color you want to look for or the details that you're looking for or any opt-in or opt-out statuses. This filter is really great with finding the contacts you are looking for with the specific requirements. Then we have a new update, which is our list scan or scan history. So this is great because you can actually see the date that your ListDefender ran its scan. And then if you actually click on the scan, it opens up into that scan report. So you see the exact data that was given on the exact day and time. So you can kind of go through here and get any information you might have needed from a prior scan or the most recent scan. Then we have Form Defender. Again, we really hope you are utilizing Form Defender. This also has a little bit of a change in the layout, but all the same information. So you'll have your activity for the last 30 days. You'll have the date, the name, the email, if they passed, the reason, and the configuration. It is all located here in your Form Defender layout. So if you're on your standard or if you're utilizing enhanced, you would just want to make sure you are on the correct tab here. And then last, if you're looking for your settings, so both ListDefender and Form Defender settings are now under this drop-down. You have your general settings, which is usually just the name of your CRM. Then you have all your validation information. So for your actual ListDefender and your scans, this is where you would set up all of your different settings on what you're trying to accomplish with your ListDefender and your contacts. We have our advanced options here as well. So if you click this drop down here, you will have all of the other enhanced advanced options. Then we have our engagement tab. So this might be new to some of you. Our engagement monitoring settings are set here. So any type of engagements that you're wanting to do, this is all of the settings that you can create and customize yourself for all of your engagements. We also have advanced engagement tracking options as well here down at the bottom that gives you a lot more information and really diving deep on getting the information into your CRM for your tracking for engagement. Then we have our Form Defender settings. So this is where you would go in if you need to change any of your settings on your form when you're utilizing Form Defender. You would just click on this button, open up your settings and change anything that you need to change. And then of course, if you need to get the code or if you need to do a new configuration for a different form, you would add it here. And then last, we have an upgrade here to where you can see the tagging inside your ListDefender account. So since we are connected to our Keep CRM, we will get our Keep tag ID, the tag name, the tag type, and the tag description. So if you ever are wondering what tags we are utilizing inside your CRM, you can come to your ListDefender account and see all the different tags that we are utilizing. That way you can find them in your CRM faster, quicker, or just be in the know of what tags are being used in your CRM. We really hope you guys enjoy these updates. If you have any questions or concerns, please remember down here in the lower right-hand corner, we have this fun chat feature. If you want to chat with us, you'll come straight to me in real time and I can help you with any questions or concerns you have. But we also have our help articles as well. So you can check out our FAQs and our different help articles here to help get a little more clear on what you can accomplish here in ListDefender. If you get stuck, we are always here to help. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video.